Welcome to day 3 of the Sea-Rail project. Today we raise the pushpit. We start here with straightening it into shape, which worked pretty well, like this. And just a bit later it's already cut off. So I'm just cleaning the cuts from the paint and preparing it to weld on the extensions.
There's 3 things that you can see here. One is my behind. The second is the construction of the extensions to the pushpit, which are these smaller tubes that get hammered into the bigger tubes. And the third is Peter, the local welder and boat builder guy, which is helping us a lot. Really invaluable help and expertise. Couldn't work without him. While Kira and Peter are welding the pushpit, I'm preparing the starboard side by cutting off the stanchions. And get a nice shot of sparks flying into the camera. It's a really productive day today. We managed to raise the pushpit, we weld on the starboard side of the Sea-Rail, and we even managed to add a first layer of paint to all of this. But by the time we're painting, the heat has fried our brains quite a bit. But maybe see for yourselves. Oh, hello there. Welcome to how to paint your garden fence. Today we're painting a garden fence made out of spruce from the Black Forest, and we're using a beautiful green tinted acrylic lacquer to fence in our own private garden. This is that the garden gnomes in the garden feel a bit safer and do not fall into other gardens.
We just finished our 3rd day working on the railing, on the Sea-Rail. So we have this side ready, kind of. Then we have the back ready. And even the first part of this side. And Robert is being the Swiss guy, vacuum cleaning our boats. Show me. your house mask. Wow. No, it looks like a joke, but it's actually super important because you get massive amount of condensation on the boat. So the whole deck is just wet. If we don't clean all the dust from welding and cutting, all the metal dust, it just turns immediately into rust. We really want to get most of the new dust away. That's also why we covered all the aluminium rails and stuff. Hopefully we're finished soon, and then we jump into the sea for a bit of a cool down. Today it was so hot. Okay, see you hopefully tomorrow when we finish the cereal.